Hi everybody, and welcome to the second episode of the Maker Librarian. Today we're going to be learning a very basic sketch taken straight from the Arduino default sketchbook. It's called Analog Input. The things we're going to need are an Arduino board, mine's an Arduino Uno, a computer loaded with Arduino software, a USB cord to connect the board to the computer and then to give it power, an LED, and a potentiometer. Now potentiometers are pretty interesting gadgets. They're a kind of resistor that controls voltage using this sliding contact. If you've ever used a light dimmer or the volume switch on an old radio, you've probably encountered them before. So to set this up, we're going to be inserting the central lead of the potentiometer into analog input 0. So it's marked A0 on the board. The second two leads can go into 5 volt and ground respectively, although it doesn't really matter what order they go in, as long as the central one goes into A0. The next step is our LED. LEDs, or light-emitting diodes, are light sources that are based on semiconductors. The important thing to know about these is that they're polarized. So one lead is going to be longer than the other to help show us this. The long end is called the anode. It's the positive lead. So it's going to go into pin 13. Its partner, the cathode, or the negative side, is going to go into ground. Once we've got all this set up, we can plug it into our power source. I've already loaded the sketch, and we'll see what happens. So you can see the lights blinking away. But as I turn the potentiometer, we'll see if we can adjust how quickly it blinks. Oh, there we go. So sometimes as you twist it towards the very extremities, it's blinking so fast that it looks like it's a solid color. But as I dial it back, you can see it's going pretty fast, and as I keep twirling, it gets slower and slower. And you can see the potential applications in having an input like this one. It allows you to make very fine-tuned, gradual changes, like you'd see on a light switch or a volume control. Anyway, this has been Episode 2 of the Maker Librarian. Thanks so much for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.